Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to stop Viber auto saving photos on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to stop Viber auto saving photos on your phone, first open up your Viber app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's the more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on more at the bottom right corner and you land on this interface, and on this interface you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings, and over here also you can see the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. Tap on media, and now in order to stop Viber auto saving photos, over here it says the save to gallery, and it also says allow Viber to automatically save media to a gallery. Make sure the tick mark at the right side of that option is unticked. By that way guys, your auto saving photos on your phone from Viber will stop. And guys, this is how to stop Viber auto saving photos on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.